Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on the application of iQIYI app. You will go to settings. Here you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about iQIYI app and you can click. Here on this page of app info, you will click on first stop, then you will click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us.